message is transmitted at the request of the St. Louis Emergency Management Agency and the Department of Anomalous, Paranormal, and Occult Affairs. At 1:10 p.m. Central Standard Time, the St. Louis checkpoint has been officially breached by life-form entities after the 2004 blood moon event. Residents in the St. Louis metro area and the areas surrounding the metro area must shelter in place. Shut all doors and windows. Keep an extra flashlight in case of a power outage would occur. Remain extremely quiet if you want to live. And make sure to have days' worth of food, water, clothing, and other essentials. Have important documents, cash, any identification, and contacts. Have a battery-powered or hand-cranked radio. Remain indoors until the all-clear message is given.
It's a Virgin Mobile Miracle.
Hey, what's that?
Southwest chicken sandwich.
Oh,